Hi guys, welcome. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to differentiate a function using chain rule. Okay? Or we say function of a function. To differentiate a function like 4x power 5 minus 6 all raised to power half. To perform such differentiation, we are going to make use of the chain rule. Chain rule says that differentiating y with respect to x is equal to differentiating u with respect to x times differentiating y with respect to u. Then where can we get our u? U is gotten in the term of the what? Function. So we can simply say that let our u be equal to all the term inside the bracket. So we say that let u be equal to what? 4x power 5 minus 6. Okay? So the first thing we have to do is since u is defined to be this, we have to redefine our y. So we can now say that y is equal to what? U raised to power what? Half. Okay? This is u because since u is all the term in the bracket. So the first thing we have to do is just simple. We need to differentiate u with respect to x. That is du dx. So this is our u to differentiate 4x power 5 minus 6. Remember, in differentiation, we multiply the power to the constant and take away 1 from the power. So what do? We'll multiply 5 to 4x power 5, then take away 1 from the power. Remember, whenever you are differentiating a constant, you are getting 0. So if we differentiate minus 6, it is 0. So this final answer will now be 4 times 5 is 20. So we have it as 20x power 4. That's the value for what? Du dx. Then the next thing we do is to differentiate y with respect to what? U. When we are different, this is y in terms of u. So we differentiate this. We should be careful here. We'll multiply the power to the constant. So the power is 1 over 2. Then u to the power of half minus 1. That's the rule. So you see that half minus 1 is minus half. So this will now be equal to 1 over 2 u to the power of minus half. Okay? So what do we do again? You can now see that 1 over 2 means in exponent, when you have a to the power of minus n is the same thing as 1 over, is the same thing as 1 over a to the power of n. Okay? So if you apply it here, this will be basically seen to be 1 over u power half. Okay? And raising to the power of half is simply a square root, which is the square root of 1 over the square root of u. So you can now see that differentiating y with respect to x will now be equal to, we've said du dx, differentiating u with respect to x is 20. So we'll have it as 20x power 4 multiplied by 1 over, because this is du dy du, 1 over the square root of u. Okay? So 20x power 4 times 1 is going to give us what? Is going to give us 20x power 4 divided by, we have to plug in the exact term of what? U. U is this. So what do? The square root of, this is the square root of 4x power 5 minus 6. And this is the answer. Very simple. So whenever you are differentiating a function like this, the solution is always this. Like and share. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get notified anytime I make another video. See you next time.